Hello, this is Eric. We're building that AM 4.5 helmet. Remember earlier we trimmed this off. I'm going to take my belt sander. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. Real nice, easy, and not pushing down. I didn't push down on it real hard, but then you go back and you just scrape off the little bit of sanding that you got on there. So it's at least smooth to the touch. Looks good. I always put a towel down just so I don't get scratches, especially since it's not my helmet. The teeth are very fast. If you notice, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teeth on each side. You only trim out 4. So unless you want 5, that's your choice, but usually they only want 4. So I take my sander and I very lightly touch those spots and I work my way back and forth like this, not like this, and I don't push down. And I basically just use the tip. So this is how I do it, and this is how fast and easy it is. Okay, as you see, I didn't go all the way through, but you'll notice, hopefully you can see it on here, they're almost see-through. So now I could just poke that tooth right out, push it aside. The other ones are a little tougher. Sometimes you have to use a razor knife to get to those. And just clean up all that rough stuff that was there. And you're going to take your X-Acto knife and get rid of any loose stuff that was there. But I'll clean those up a little bit with my knife, and it should be looking really sharp. So that's how easy it is to do the teeth and trimming that. Again, if you do use a belt sander, be very careful you don't push too hard, because it'll go right through this in no time. So you want to be very careful while you're doing that. and just take your time. You could also use a drum sander, your Dremel, or some people like to drill a hole and then use an X-Acto knife to cut them out. Any way works, whatever is easiest for you. This is just the way I do it. So I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.